These premium crawfish tails are flash frozen in liquid to maintain the best flavor. The sauce is spicy and delicious, and the crawfish are very simple to prepare. First, defrost the package in the refrigerator overnight or thaw in cool water. You can pour the package contents into a microwave-safe container and heat on high for 5 minutes. But for best results, pour the contents into a pot or wok and cook for 5 minutes on medium-high. Then remove the crawfish from the pot. Place on a plate and serve. Your friends and family are sure to enjoy these spicy crawfish tails. They are a wonderful appetizer for all kinds of meals. Keep them handy and you can serve them anytime. Especially for people who like things a bit spicy, enjoy this delicious seafood dish. Brought to you by Speedy Chef. Convenience and delicious food is right here. We are Jack and King.